Are you saying that this isn't just a Houston issue, this is a climate change issue in terms of how we anticipate the magnitude of storms and flooding?
It's exactly the type of thing that the experts on climate have been predicting.
Why there is so much water associated with this storm. One of the things we've heard from scientists over the last 10 years is that climate change does impact the intensity of many of the storms.
Start thinking about climate change.
And I don't want to get into the politics of climate change.
If you look at climate change and you look at the weather systems that we're getting today.
Could climate change be fueling the history-making nature of this storm?
A lot of Democrats will be saying, you know, climate change is actually, this is the kind of flooding you would predict based on the climate change models.
One question we should ask, even if the Republican Party isn't asking that, is what is the role of man-made climate change in disasters like this one? It doesn't necessarily create storms like this, but does it increase the intensity of these storms?
There has to be a discussion of whether these sorts of events are becoming more common because of climate change.
Middle class and poor people would be some of the first people hurt by climate change. And there's this idea that these storms, these hurricanes are getting worse and worse, scientists say, and that working class and poor people that voted for Donald Trump, that are excited about his presidency, that thought his presidency was going to improve their lives.